like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside home. Rather see my heart turn crystal.
But the color is beautiful. Yes, it is silky straight. What? I love this. Alright guys, this is how the wig looks. Look at that lace. Everything is pre-cut. So all we have to do is slide this on. We do have the tabs at the side. So I feel like I'm going to do a completely glueless install for this wig. Now let's take out everything. This is how it looks. And there's a comb at the back. You guys already know I love combs at the back of my hair. The hair quality is amazing. It feels super good. So let's go. This is gonna be a very quick and easy install.
These days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come. That way you could be prepared. Maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me.
Alright guys, this is the first hairstyle and the wig came straight already, okay, with some layers. I want to show you guys that it is completely glueless all the way around. So you can put the tail comb right there. You see it's lifting. The trick to doing a glueless install is using your mousse, and once you use the mousse, then it's gonna lay flat at the top. So this is how the ear look. I will show you guys the color in outside just because the color is not showing indoor. So the straight hair, the texture, it feels so good. It's silky, soft, and very smooth. We're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you guys how the hair look, okay? And then we're gonna try another hairstyle. Let's go. I just showed you guys, I went outside and I showed you how the hair look. So basically this wig is perfect if you're going to work because it's gonna seem dark, and once you go outside it's gonna get light. Now I want to show you guys a different style, but I really don't know how to do it because it's a glueless install. I'm thinking about doing like a side part.
Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside TT. Yeah. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always you down. Baby, ain't